Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you out there. Is that your style here? This it comes, it brings us to you. This is the Visolink 2.8-inch baby phone with a camera. This Visolink baby monitor works without Wi-Fi, but it works with a 4000 mAh battery, an HD night vision mode, and Fox mode, intercom function, and 3 times zoom, 8 lullabies, temperature sensor, and possibility of 300 meter of range. Wow, that's nice. That's it is. If you have a baby at home and your baby go to sleep, maybe you um, have to perform then a little bit of chill out or relaxing time while your baby's sleeping. But you do not like that it should be alone there. It's a good thing to use a baby monitor. And today we can use a baby monitor because the state of the art possibility is there with the link. The Video Baby Monitor camera has an integrated 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. It can be used in constant light for about 10 hours. Automatically activates the energy saving mode, the Vox mode, when the environment is quiet. Then the battery lasts up to 15 hours. No frequent charging required. That's very durable. And with a 2.8-inch 720p HD IPS screen, supports a triple zoom and a pan when the night falls. The screen of the baby camera automatically switches to be night mode. Whatever day or night, the babies can receive the good care. And temperature monitor on top gives you information about the temperature in the room where your baby are going to sleep. And 8 lullabies. We create a comfortable and warm sleeping environment. And the baby monitors allows the two-way audio communication. For that, we press and hold the intercom button on the baby monitor to activate the intercom function and talk directly to the baby. Intelligent noise reduction technology makes a clearer sound. Whenever we are walking, practicing yoga, or cooking, or cleaning, or chilling, we can always calm our baby's emotions. And the baby monitor with the camera supports the private 2.4G FHSS protocol and does not need to connect to the Wi-Fi and an app. It is automatically paired and used when it is opened without having to worry about a possible hacker attacks and data breach. With no barrier 300-meter range. And easy to install, as you can see. Because this package contains a holder that can be connected directly to a baby camera monitor and instantly in the appropriate position, which is very easy and convenient. The 2.8 inches screen is a really portable design. Lightweight, convenient for us really to carry. And safety warnings, because the way the baby monitor monitors the conditions of the baby in real time. If we activate the safety alert and the baby does not appear on the monitor screen, the baby monitor will issue a safety warning so that we can know that the baby's condition and the ensure safety at all times. We only use the AC adapters which is provided. Of course, it comes with a 5 voltage support, so I think it's possible to use other sources like a USB socket too for that product. It's not a toy. We do not allow children to play with that. And this product is not intended to replace the proper supervision of the children, of course. We must check our children's activity regularly. And we go to charge and power in the baby monitor. We connect the monitor adapter to the monitor and to a power outlet. We unplug the unit when the power indicator turns off, indicates a full status. We press and hold the power button on the monitor for approximately 3 seconds. The monitor will turn on. And if we then dock the camera system where we are needed, and if we then make a power supply with that camera system, the camera will automatically switch on, and automatically it will be connected to the monitoring system. And then of course we can start. We have a power and sleep button. We have an up and down, a brightness up and brightness down button, left and right button, and volume button up and down. We have an M button for back and menu. We have an OK button, and this is the zoom button too. And we have a talk button. We press and hold to talk with our baby with that. So you can see then we can navigate through the menu really easy, because there are only some informations about that, what we can perform with that. We can make the camera settings, we can make the alarm settings, we can make the camera volume, or the lullabies we can switch, and switch between the lullabies, for example, and then we can use settings if we need it. And then our monitor with a 2.8 inches screen size will show us what's going on in the baby room, of course. The built-in noise cancellation microphone makes it that we can talk to the other person, our baby. And we have a 4000 mAh battery, so it operates a long time. And the camera itself comes with 1280 to 720p video resolution. This is enough to make an observation of our baby while it is sleeping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.